If you're still broke, I need you to stop scrolling and watch this. Not next week, not tomorrow, right now. Because if you're broke in 2025, I'm going to be real with you. It's not your fault, but it is now your responsibility. Hey friends, welcome back to Financially Smart Mind. On this channel, we bring you the best strategies, tips, and mindset shifts to help you take control of your financial life and build long-term wealth. Today's video is not just another money tutorial. This is a wake-up call. Because if you're working hard, putting in hours, grinding, and you're still living paycheck to paycheck, stressed about bills, drowning in debt, or watching your dreams drift further away, then you've been lied to. You've been raised in a system that was never designed to make you rich. It was designed to keep you busy, in debt, and comfortable being average. Go to school, get a degree, get a job, work until you're 65, and if you're lucky, maybe retire. But that model is broken. And if you're still broke, stuck, or confused, here's why. Reason 1. You were taught to trade time for money. Let me tell you something, the school system never will. If the only way you make money is by clocking in and trading hours for dollars, you will never be free. You'll be a modern-day slave, in golden handcuffs. Rich people don't sell time. They buy time. They use systems, assets, and leverage. If you're still broke, ask yourself, are you using your time to build something that pays you when you're not working? If not, you're stuck in a trap. Reason 2. You were never taught how money actually works. You were told to save money in a bank account, while inflation destroys it. You were told to avoid debt, while rich people use debt to multiply their wealth. You were told investing is risky, while not investing is the biggest risk of all. And now you're here, working harder than ever, and still broke. Why? Because you're playing a game you were never taught to win. But once you learn the real rules, you never see money the same way again. Reason 3. You've been emotionally programmed to stay broke. Let's go deeper. If you believe money is evil, rich people are greedy, or money isn't that important, then let me ask you, why are you working 40, 50, even 60 hours a week for it? The truth is, most people say they want money, but deep down, they don't believe they deserve it. They don't believe it's possible. They've been raised to feel guilt for wanting more. That mindset keeps you poor, no matter how much you earn. So what do you do now? Here's the raw truth. If you're still broke in 2025, you don't need more excuses. You need a system, a reset, a new strategy that you control, not one handed to you by society. So let me break it down into a plan. Here's what I would do if I had nothing right now, but I refuse to stay broke. Step 1. Get out of survival mode. Before you invest, before you dream big, stabilize. Cut unnecessary spending. Cancel what you don't need. Cook at home. Track every dollar. Build a small savings buffer, even $500. This isn't about wealth. It's about getting out of panic mode so you can think clearly. Step 2. Start learning real money skills. Learn how to sell, Learn how to build an online income stream. Learn how to write, market, brand, create, invest. No one's coming to teach you. You have to teach yourself. Because in today's world, the fastest way to stop being broke is to stop being average. Step 3. Multiply your income. A job won't save you. One income stream won't save you. You need cash flow. Start freelancing. Sell a service. Resell a product. Build something that you control. Every wealthy person I know has multiple streams of income, not because it's trendy, but because it's necessary. Step 4. Invest, even if it's small. You don't need thousands. You need consistency. $10 into an index fund, $20 into your skills, $50 into building something that outlasts your 9 to 5. Because being broke isn't just a money problem. It's a thinking problem. Step 5. Change your circle, change your future. If your friends mock you for saving, investing, or dreaming big, you need new friends. Surround yourself with people who push you, who think bigger, who make moves, not just noise. You are one decision away from a completely different life, and that decision might be cutting dead weight and building something real. So here is my final message to you today. If you're still broke, you're not broken. But staying broke, that's a choice now. Not because you're lazy, not because you're stupid, but because no one showed you the way. Until now. Don't waste another year hoping things get better. Make things better. Start with what you have. Take control of your time. Build skills. Build income. Build mindset. And never, ever settle for broke again. Thank you all for watching. If this video hit you hard, good. It was supposed to. Hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to wake up too. And don't forget, drop a comment below and let me know. What are you changing today to stop being broke forever?